Rule number one for clear skin: if you can't eat it, don't put it on your skin. And I've followed this rule for over 10 years and my skin looks better every day. So I'm gonna show you a mask that I swear by. This has all of my most favorite natural ingredients and the most powerful ingredients. And so if you have acne scars, if you have discoloration, if you have any skin problems you wanna get rid of, here's a recipe. I always use a homemade mask every other day, honestly, and it has helped my skin so much. And I think the best time to do a mask is when you're spending the whole day outside. Right when you come back from being outside all day, wash your face and put on a homemade mask. And I swear, once you do this like continuously and consistently, you will see the biggest difference. So I want to challenge y'all. I have a lot of homemade mask ideas and recipes on my page. I want you to do a mask, a homemade natural mask for your skin every day this week for 7 days in a row. Take a picture before and take a picture after. I guarantee there's gonna be a difference. Once you have the mask on your face, you're just gonna let this dry. Try not to speak too much so it doesn't cause cracks and like premature wrinkles, but let it dry and I'm gonna show you once I cleanse it off. Now that it's all dry, I'm gonna go cleanse it off with some warm water and be right back. I cleansed off the mask and my face literally feels so smooth. I feel no bumps. It's already so much brighter and I can just tell it's gonna keep getting better.